Hi, I'm Sarah from London Planner magazine. I'm in Paddington, which is the home of Paddington Bear, Paddington Station and St Mary's Hospital, which is where royal babies such as Prince William and Prince George were born. The area is constantly evolving and there's so much to do. Here are my top picks. London Shellco hosts static lunches and dinner cruises from Paddington to Camden and back. The seafood is amazing and the intimate space is a sociable affair. You can kayak and paddleboard with Active 360 all year round. You can also do yoga on a paddleboard if you don't mind falling in. Design fans will want to visit Paddington Basin to Crossfan Bridge, which has 5 beams that unfold like a Japanese fan. You can also cross Rolling Bridge, which has 8 triangles that curl into an octagon. Relax among flowers on Floating Pocket Park, which floats in Paddington Basin. You can also have a picnic on the lawn in Merchant Square. Each summer, the square hosts events, many of which are free. You can watch a film on the big screen or listen to live music. At night, have drinks in Pergola Paddington, which has a pergola roof and seats 850 people. The IWA Canal Way cavalcade has taken place every May since 1983. You can browse over 80 food, drink and craft stalls and watch an illuminated boat parade. Little Venice is transformed during the festival. For more information on things to see and do in London, visit londonplanner.com.